Day 2, let's go. Here's my mates. Good morning to the local free-range chickens. I reckon he's the boss. This one here, he's definitely the boss. Free range, Thai style. The power lines are hectic. Full hectic. Alright, so I just arrived here on what is known as Fitness Street. I have to say it was pretty hectic. Like, I rode here on my scooter and yeah man, this is wild. It's just full of gyms and Muay Thai camps and various other outlets. I've come here because I need to get a couple of pairs of shorts and t-shirts because I figured I'm going to run out of stuff. Well, I was worried this would happen, and it appears that I've torn my calf muscle, and that makes it really hard to box. I'm going to get some Tiger Balm, and I'm going to strap it up, and I'm going to go back tomorrow and try my best, and we'll see what happens. That's my update. So yeah, I felt a little twinge this morning in an 8 a.m. session, and it was like just as I pushed off the sprint, like during the warm-up, and I felt it, so I backed off and managed to get through it. But then this afternoon, just doing some skipping to warm up, it just let go straight away. In actual fact, they both feel a little bit tender, and something that used to plague me playing football. So I stretched and warmed up and did everything I should do, but it's no avail. So day 2 is not going to plan. Anyway, so I've just rolled up to this barbecue chicken place in Rahway, and yeah, so far it's been good. I know, I'm gonna look on the bright side of it. Yes, okay, I've injured my calf, and any pushing or any acceleration off my left leg is going to be near impossible. But there is a weights room, there's a cardio room, there's a heap of other things I can do. So I'm going to chow down, I'm going to have a good night's sleep, I'm going to try and find some ice actually on the way home and ice my legs. Wake up tomorrow and hit the weights room real hard, and hopefully by the end of the week the calf comes good and I can get back to kicking and punching and doing all those fun things. I'm at this shop called Decathlon. Got myself some of these compression stockings, hopefully to help with the stiffness in my calves. But man, what a trippy shop! Like, they've got like everything split up into like multiple fucking sections. Like, you got shoes here for multi-sports, you got shoes down here for running. It's bizarre. Anyway, hopefully these will fix me up for training tomorrow, so back into it. Big shopping centre, huh? So, huge. Let's go take a look around, eh? We'll see what's going on. Converse story. It's pretty mad. Someone over there asleep, should be working. It's got some cool stores here, man. Go for a walk around, check it out. Well, I'm down here at Charlong Bay Wharf, or Pier as it's known. Actually, my injury's feeling pretty good. Rehab's crucial. Ice and rest. So yeah, I just thought I'd come do a bit of an explore because I went out today to Decathlon, which is it's about half an hour on the bike actually. It's a fair way away. I bought some compression stockings for the lower leg, for the calf, so you can fucking so I can keep kicking. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for a little walk around here and see what the fuck's going on. Because, you know, what's going on? I can smell some fucking ganj. Some boys here on the ganja, eh? Smoking a bit of ganj. No, thank you. I'd be paranoid as, but yeah, it's quite beautiful out there, huh? Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So yeah, I might go for a walk just over here and we'll see what's going on, eh? One of the things I don't know, maybe more than just one of us forget is just how diverse our marine life is. Like when you see all this here, it makes you realise how many, I don't know, it's not a really nice way to put it, how many different things we eat out of the sea. Because, fuck, I didn't even realise it. Look at the size of this. All right, so end of day 3. It's been an eventful one, hasn't it? So I woke up this morning, I went to training. I actually just used wrist wraps and wrapped my calves because I haven't been to get to buy the compression garments yet. Actually worked pretty good. Got me through the session. Still a little bit tender, but definitely icing yesterday helped. So I've now done 6 sessions of Muay Thai in 3 days. I did 2 weight sessions. I've decided that I'm going to be going home a little bit earlier than planned for a few reasons. First is, don't feel like AKA's actually met my expectations, and it's not actually what I thought it would be. And I'm not going to make this about that, but I'll get into that a little bit later because I still do have 2 more sessions. That'll be 4 more sessions of Muay Thai before heading to the airport on Friday the 7th. I was originally going to go home on the 10th. I've cut a little bit short, A, because my injury, it ain't going to get any better and I don't really want to push it, although I have been able to get through. B, AK hasn't really met my expectations, and like I said, I'll do a full review video on that because I'm actually really disappointed, and that's part of the reason why I've decided not to stay. I think that had they've met the expectation they'd set for me, regardless of the injury, I think I would have stayed longer. The third is I can't wait to see my 2 beautiful girls. That's another reason why I want to go home, because I'm missing them terribly. And the last is actually pretty exciting. I've actually been offered an opportunity to do some reality television, and it's been dawning on me a little bit while I'm here that originally I was just going to fly. Michelle's already gone to the trouble to send all my stuff to Sydney, so it's a bit of a nightmare. But I was originally going to leave here and just fly straight into Sydney, spend a day there, have my brief, and then just start shooting. And I just really feel like I need to head back to Canberra and just recalibrate a little bit with my family first, just get my head right and really get prepared for this. I really get thinking about hair again, because I actually have this feeling that it could be a bigger opportunity than what I realise. It's sort of me being the hairdresser within this reality television concept. I can't really say what it is, but I actually think if my performance is like on point, I actually think it could open a few doors to me. So I'm sort of like a little bit anxious about that. So you know what I'm like with my hair. I really want to get focused and prepared, and I just feel like flying straight in from here, pushing myself, being somewhat exhausted, not being able to go back to Canberra and reset myself and recalibrate in my home environment, and then head up to Sydney to do this. I don't know whether I'm going to be putting my best foot forward. So yeah, so end of day 3, still got day 4 tomorrow, big training session tomorrow. In the morning, I'm going to attempt my first ice bath, but I will not be putting that on camera. I'll tell you how it goes. So I've got Muay Thai in the morning, Muay Thai tomorrow afternoon, a weight session in the middle of the day, and then I've also got ice bath in the afternoon after the Muay Thai session. So stay tuned for day 4, and catch you guys tomorrow.